welcome to the channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified every single time I upload a video. So let's just get straight into this video. Today we're going to be testing the Saweetie, excuse me, let me just move that. The Saweetie X Morphe collection. So this is the 24 Artist Pass eyeshadow palette, and it is stunning. Let me tell you now, stunning. Look at that. So I'm thinking of using these and maybe some glitters. We'll see how it looks. And this is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, and this is in a Sweet Peach. I think this is popular collection as well. So I've done my face makeup off camera, so I'm just going to go ahead and just quickly spray this. It smells amazing. This is a very, very fine mist, like you can't feel it going on your face at all. So let's let this dry. Okay, so that's all dry down. It looks really nice. It's giving me kind of like a nice glow overall. Like I really like that. I do wish it was a bigger size though. I really like that. It's like really nice. So we're gonna go in with this eyeshadow palette, and I'm a little bit scared because I haven't played with colours for a while. So I think I'm gonna go and take max volume and go ahead and put that in my crease. That was one tap. That's pigmented. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just putting colours on my lids. I do gotta look kind of decent because I gotta film another video after this, but I don't have any concealer or anything on my eyelids, just to let you guys know. It's really pretty. I really like that. I might go ahead and do purple out here and maybe yellow on the inside. I think I might do that. So let's go ahead and grab the yellow. Okay, the yellow is a little bit more sheer than the pink. It's a little bit more chalky. Oh, that's in my eye. But it is just struggling to perform a little bit, that's all. I like that. And then should we get some purple on the outside? Let's grab the purple. That's got some pigment to it. Just grab this pink one and blend. I definitely say this is better pigment than the 35, the colourful eyeshadow palette I normally use by them. I think we're gonna go ahead and take that pink on our lower lash as well. It's quite interesting. Should we put like a shimmer on? So maybe we could go in with, let's do In By Only. That's gorgeous. Wow, I've not got a shade like that at all. That's stunning. Oh, I love it. I absolutely love this look. Let me put some lipstick on. Just go ahead and put some mascara on and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I love this palette. It's probably my favourite colourful palette. I'm really impressed with those glitters. I'm really happy with how this eye look turned out. Let's give you a close-up. So this is the eye look. I think it's gorgeous, and that glitter shade, the girl, look at it. So pretty. I would definitely recommend this palette, and I'm sure it was like, let me double check how much it is. It's £29 in Boots. Pretty little thing. You can get it from I'm not sure. I think it's still 29 quid on Morphe as well. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's £29 on Morphe as well. They've also got the lip glosses, which is £20 for 3 of them on Morphe as well. I don't have those to test, but this is amazing. I was looking at the shades and I thought especially like these ones and these weren't going to work. I thought there was a waste of money. But I'm very, very surprised with how they turned out. They look gorgeous on. This is definitely like a festival palette, or this is definitely going to be a staple. I can tell you now, for my colourful looks. I'm sorry Morphe, I'm not even sorry though, because it's still your brand, but this is definitely better than 35 Colour Burst or Colour B, whatever it was called, palette that I tend to go to. So yeah, I would also recommend this to you guys as well, but the only thing is it's not on the website anymore. I think I got like one of the last ones when it was in the sale, so unfortunately we can't get that anymore. Yeah, so if you did enjoy this video guys, make sure to leave it a big cheeky thumbs up. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below and turn on your bell icon to be notified every single time I upload. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!